Okay, this is yoga food. We have some nice stew and to be healthy and everything. Faruk, come here. So be at the opening ceremony. Who's gonna open?
We are together. Hocam
Şöyle önce bir deneyelim değil mi?
Anjali, Neha, come here. Come.
Durumu nedir?
So now this is the stew we're
şey
gonna
varsa
open.
bize bir tabak. Bunları masaya çektirmeyelim.
Ali is gonna take a.
Bıçak bence.
Mesela böyle keskin mi yapalım yoksa
yani
eşeği
sıyırmak
bıçağı mı?
için gerçi çıkıyor.
Şöyle. Ben yaptım. Acaba.
Evet.
Very, very delicious.
Very delicious.
Bir de içini görseniz.
We're gonna make our official language Indian English here. So everyone has to talk with a little accent inside.
No more Hüsnü English.
Huh?
No more Hüsnü English.
No, just English, Indian English. English.
Bir tane daha var Ufuk.
So, okay, explain what's inside.
It's aubergine.
Aubergine, eggplants.
Yeah.
Next,
Onion.
onion,
Dry onion.
dry onion,
Garlic.
garlic. A little bit, huh?
Yeah, a little bit.
Ghee. Is there a ghee also?
Ghee.
Olive
yeah.
oil, lentils.
So,
Ah, look at this. This is good.
Bence oldu.
bence de oldu hocam
Süper
ya.
olmuş.
Yummy.
Haydi bakalım törenle oturalım. Acıktık hepimiz.
Yeah, until you get this in New York.
Bence bunu bitirirsiniz.
Maybe in.
In New York, you pay big money to get this, huh? So about $100 a meal.
Peppermint.
Is a mint inside.
Ya, reyhan.
What's reyhan?
Hızlı olmuş şimdi. Bunu bitirirsiniz.
Reyhan neydi ya?
And also
Basilicum,
basil inside.
Basilicum,
Yes,
yeah. Basil.
Okay, it smells very good. It's all steamed, actually.
Evet ben
In a
tabak
clay pot.
And I put olive oil.
Olive oil as well and ghee as well.
No, the olive oil on the
On the side.
Koyabilir misin
side.
masalara?
and then ghee. Yeah.
And parsley.
Orada doldur.
Parsley, yeah.
Ortaya yok bunu ortaya
And
getir.
tomatoes.
Orada.
See the eggplants also inside. Okay, are there any zucchinis inside?
No
No, no
zucchinis.
zucchini this time.
Then karabiber. Black
Black pepper,
Şu açık altta.
Little
O ne?
bit zerdeçal.
turmeric,
Kimyon.
cumin,
Dry mint.
dry mint,
Basilicum.
dry basil.
That's all actually.
That's all. Okay, thank you.